Okay, nice emote. What's good, everybody? My name is Grouch the Bird, and I'm gonna be playing Bad Parenting. All right, play. Can you guys hear it? Okay. All right. Story one. Mr. Redface. Oh, hello, Mom. You're home so late again. Come on, I was busy with work. Can you have some sympathy for me? But today is my birthday. Oh, of course, I know that. Then where is my gift? Bad mother. Um, have you ever heard of Mr. Redface? On the birthday of good children, Mr. Redface secretly leaves gifts while they are asleep. Really? Of course. If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away. I'm going to bed right now, Mom. Alright, gang. Whoa. You're fooling the kid again. How many times have you come home this late? I was working and my shift ended late. Bull. You still think I'm an idiot, don't you? Hey, little shit, get back to your room. Don't stand here eavesdropping on grown-up conversations. Okay. Oh. I am little boy, I go to my room. Kitchen? No, I go to room. I am good boy. Is this my room? No, not my room. Is this my room? Damn. I guess this is my room. I go sleep. Shoo, shoo. Honk shoe, honk shoe, honk shoe. The floor mattress is so real. Oh, God. Oh, man. Oh, awake time. I have been good boy, and I saw the sleep paralysis demon. Is that the gift for Mr. Redface? No way! Sorry. It's so cute. Hi, I'm Ron. What? You can talk? Of course, because I was created by magic. You even have the same name and appearance as me. That's right, my master made me just for you. But your neck seems a bit loose. That's okay, sometimes my master makes mistakes. This is just a small flaw compared to the other dolls. Huh? What's important is that from now on, I'll be your best friend. That sounds wonderful. Do you want to play something with me? My master stored my toys in the closet. Can you get them for me? Yeah, where's the closet at, boy? Give me them. The closet is still stuck? Can you try that again? I've tried my best. I can't open it. Do you want me to do something else? I'm hungry. Huh? What? You're a doll. Can you even eat? No, you'll be the one eating, but I'll be able to feel everything you eat. My master linked all your senses and emotions to me, so I can easily understand you. Wow, that's amazing. Alright, gang, let's get some food. Boink. Refrigerator. You're reading this letter at 1 p.m., aren't you, sleepyhead? I've prepared your favorite dish in the fridge, so remember to heat it up before eating. Lately, I've noticed you've been getting lazy about eating. That's not good. You know I don't have much time at home, so please learn to take care of yourself and stop making me worry. One more thing, don't forget to take your medicine after eating. Mom. Okie dokie. Food. Ah. Sir. I'm gonna put you here, because you're my friend. And we will eat this food. Yum, 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 yum. Microwave. Ah. Oh. Table. Okay, sir. I shall consume. Is that your favorite dish? Do you want to see me perform some magic? Yes, please. All right, I'll make this plate of food never run out. Yo, boy just solved world hunger? What a W. Every time you finish eating, the dish will be restored to its original state. Alright. Wow, that's amazing! Well, what else can you do? Uh-oh. He says, I can get freaking wasted. Yo, I was wrong! Bro's getting... Oh my god. What just happened? I don't know. You guess. Oh no, the bottle. My dad's gonna whoop my ass. I hope he's still asleep. Your dad? Don't worry, my master has taken your dad away. What did you say? Give me my meds. Give me my meds, please. Hey boss, where's my dad? Oh. Hey yo. Where's my dad? As I said, my master's taken your dad away. Why? Because your dad is a bad person. He often hits and yells at you. Parents like that are taken away by my master to protect children like you. But this is too much. My dad doesn't deserve that. He's a bad person. No, he's not. Please, let my dad go. I'm begging you. All right, but my master won't like this. It's quite a long way to where your dad is being held. You'll have to use a shortcut if you want to get there in time to save him. Show me the way. The shortcut is through your closet. Alright, time to do some Narnia shit. Hey, boss. You still can't open it? That's disappointing. I guess we'll just have to use your parents' closet then. Well, I tried that, boy. Does the closet lead to help? You should know that these closets can function as portals. They can take you anywhere you want, including where your dad is being held. Give it a try. Alright, let's go. Where my daddy at? There's nothing in here. Oh, right. I forgot. There's a few steps you need to take in order to activate this shortcut. Bring your dad's radio and place it in front of the closet. Okie dokie. The jams will summon father. Front. Okay. This radio will work like an elevator button. You need to set a frequency first. If you choose the right frequency, the door will open to the place you need to go. Okie dokie. Ah, there we go. Okay. Hey. That's pretty cool. Seems like that's not it. Let's try again. Oh. What the fuck? What is that? What is that? That's not mommy. What are you trying to pull here, man? Ah, this is for surely where daddy is. I think this is the one. Go ahead and step in. I'll stay here and watch the house. Alright. Oh, my bad. With this. Interesting. Car? This is some Slender Man shit. Slendy! Alright, let's go in this pit. Oh, you know what? This looks body-sized. Whoa. Hello? What's up? I'm looking for my dad. Describe. My dad's name is Bruce? Wait a moment. There are many Bruces here. Any more details? Is this Bruce a good Bruce or a bad Bruce? Well, my dad is the kind of person who gets a bit angry. So he's a bad Bruce. Let me see. There are still many bad Bruces. More specifics, please. What else does he do? He often yells. Still not enough information. Sometimes he hits me. And slaps, too. And that's all. The door's behind you. Okie dokie. Oh. That's a stupid jump scare. Boo! Haha! He just got startled. Yeah, I did. Who are you guys? Just like you! We're kids on our way to find our parents. We're staying here for a bit. Do you want to join us? I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. Okay, see you later. Whoa. Bro's tweaking. Dad? Please, stop punishing me. It's me, Dad. Please, stop punishing me. What has he done to you? Come on, let's go home, or Mr. Redface will take both of us. Please, stop punishing me. Oh, shit. How do I I stop? How do I make it stop? With this spell? Huh? Why is Mother upset? Oh? Huh? Hey, what's wrong with you? Why are you hiding in the closet? Mr. Redface has taken Dad. Oh. Well, that's a good thing then. I'm not joking. It's a long story. Let me explain. How is your doll Ron doing today? Is he alright? The doll? Mom, how do you know about it? Of course I know, since you haven't taken your medicine today. This isn't the first time you've had such hallucinations. Every time you tell a different story, but the common factor is always that stupid doll. Don't you remember the previous times? No? I don't know what's wrong with you. Just go to bed. It's midnight already. Hey, yo. I sleep now. Wait, does that mean Dad's always been gone? Alright. That's... Squidward's tweaking. What just happened, son? Are you alright? No! No! I'm like 5, and this dude just pulled up on me. Do you feel better now? Yeah, Mom. It's Mr. Redfit. It's alright. Tomorrow I'll take a day off and stay home and take care of you. Really? Promise me, Mom. I promise. Now, go back to sleep. Yes, Mom. Honk shoe, honk shoe, honk shoe. Huh? Mom? You've broken the promise again. L, Mother. Closet? TV? Where is Mother? Maybe I need to go back to my room. Back to my room. My vomit-colored bed. TB. Oh, hey. Bro, what happened to me? What happened to you? My master beat the shit out of me. He wasn't happy about what happened yesterday. I'm sorry. This is my fault. By the way, have you seen my mom anywhere? My master has taken her away. What? It just happened. I'm sorry I couldn't stop him. You should run away, because he'll come back soon and take you too. No, I have to save my mom, and my dad too. How? Don't you see what he did to me? Scratch his ass. Oh. found this at my dad's prison. I think it might help us defeat him. That's the spell to defeat Mr. Redface. Come on, quickly, go into the closet and find where your mom is being held. Alright, this closet? Nope, okay. My parents are closeted. Children? What they doing? Where is mommy? How to defeat him. Quickly, throw the spell in there and take cover. Alright, alright. Bomb. Bomb planted. Oh, take cover, my bad. Alright. What are they gonna do to my mom? What did they do to my mom, you soulless little ginger kid? Where's the door? Oh. Wait. Aw. Alright, I'm running. Ain't nobody got time for that. Where's my mother? What's happening to you? My master's been defeated. The magic he cast on me is also fading. Are you disappearing? Don't worry. This is what I wanted. You should go outside and see your parents. Mother? Father? Dad! Mom! Y'all are free now! Huh. You've been having an affair, haven't you? I told you I was busy with work. Liar! You've neglected this family for another man. Aren't you ashamed to lie to your son? And what about you? Do you think you're better than me? You're just at home leeching off me all year round. What kind of a father are you? No matter what I do, it's my business. I still bring money home to support my child. And if you still think I'm a whore, you're lowering yourself even below that. Oh. One more word. Fine. You and I will get a divorce. One of us will have to move out of this house. If you're still here tomorrow, I'll take my son and leave. You stay right there. Bro. Bro, I'm going to my room. I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm now a child of divorce. Actually, I do. Oh. Papa! Papa! Yikes, brother. I won't let this happen. Papa? Where is Papa? Is that me? That's me. What's happening? Huh? No. 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 This can't be true. I'm very sorry, Ron. Your closet. I think you're able to open it now. This is me? Why don't I know anything about these? You've always known. Because I am the knowing part of you. You've tried to deny and reject these things and made up stories to make yourself feel better about you and your dad. And me? I have to find a way to lead you back to reality. I've tried many times, many ways to help you accept this truth as easily as possible. And every time I fail, guess what happens? Tick tock, boom! All the memories disappear, and once again, wake back up at the starting point, which is the night your dad murdered you. How long have I been dead? 14 days. I can't have been that long. What really happened to my parents? As for your dad, he's hiding in a cheap motel room. Bro's tweaking. Go home with me, Dad. Yo. What about my mom? She still sees me, doesn't she? That's right, because she's only home late at night. But if it's daytime... Son? Do you have any clues about your husband's hiding place? Bruh. You just dropped something, ma'am. What is that? It's a motel card. But I'm not sure it's mine. Oh, there I am. Man, this is dark. Oh, oh, hey, it's gang. We got a baddie. We got the homie. We got a whatever that is, and me. We're a family. Wow. Well, now I can't wait for the other one to come out. Clap, clap, clap. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching my stream, y'all. Is there any more? Ah, no, it just goes back to the title page. Cool beans. Well, that was Bad Parenting Chapter 1. I'm very hyped to. I'm not crying, you're crying. I'm very hyped to see the second chapter now, because that was pretty. Hey, thanks for subscribing. That was pretty intense. I said I didn't know anything going in this game. I just know I saw a kid being strangled, which was like fair foreshadowing. But this doesn't bring trauma or daddy issues. Yeah, once bro started slamming the liquor, I was like, okay, hold on. Give me a second. Hmm. Yeah.